zikhona uJehova uyayiletha Power Dimensions Ministries anizuphela kanjena kodwa uNkulunkulu anikhonzayo uzomkhumbula. Keep on lihlangana, keep on meeting together, keep on coming together. When you come together, the Lord will remember you. When you come together, Jehovah uNkulunkulu ofohlayo uzonifohlela egameni likaJesu. Nangu bafohla efohlela umpheli wakho, nangu bafohla efohlela abantwana bakho, nangu bafohla efohlela ibhizinisi lakho. Whosoever wants to start a business, start a business. Owenwele, start a business. Owenzipho, start a business. Oweconstruction, start a business. Ofuna imoto yokuthutha, start somewhere. Declare egameni likaJesu. Udeclare imoto zingekho, udeclare amathagengekho, udeclare igenisi ingekho. And declare egameni likaJesu. Declare egameni likaJesu. All decoration, declare awunazingwane kulungile but ukhona usimakade obone sithekeni uyakwazi odingayo. He shall provide egameni likaJesu. Whosoever wants to do what akuyifaki imoto yakho kwabot egameni likaJesu. Mabebanjwa ngapha uzophunyuka, mabebanjwa ngapha uzophunyuka. Ofuna ukupheka kali itafula lakho, something is about to happen. God will bless the work of your hands. Lokho kunalo nakho wenze, uthathe wenze, ungesabi. Unawe njalo yonke imihla yokuphila kwakho qala namhlanje. Obolekisa ngempahla qala namhlanje, odayisa ngempahla qala namhlanje. May Jehovah bless the work of your hands. May the Lord remember you. Ebesevula iminyango phambi kwakho, bhala ku-status ukuthi unebhizinisi and lifted everything unto God. Ukuthi ama-customers aqhamukayo, only God knows okufanele ukwenze. Hambe kulo mnyango ovalekile, usimakade uzabe uyivula yena. Oh, Jesus. Oh,